If for you, kanin is life but you also want to decrease your calorie intake, then this is the perfect substitute for you. Hello foodies, let's try Magic Bowl Shirataki Rice. Just imagine 27 calories lang siya per 40 grams of serving. So it's just 135 calories per cup of rice versus the 205 calories sa normal na rice. Plus, super dali niya pang i-prepare and no need na for rice cooker. You just have to pour it in a bowl and napansin ko mas finer and mas maliit yung mga butil niya. Then just add hot water and make sure that everything is submerged. And then for 10 to 15 minutes, just cover it with a lid. And voila, you already have this beautifully cooked shirataki rice in just 15 minutes. And I swear, para lang din talaga siyang normal rice. And in fairness, medyo dense din siya and bouncy. And you know what? I'm not really a big rice eater. And if may available na alternative, in-skip ko talaga siya because medyo malaki nga yung calories. Pero kasi naman, di ba, meron talaga mga dishes na hindi masarap pag walang kanin, especially mga masarsa. Take note nga pala na bukod sa low calorie siya, it's also gluten-free and volume-friendly. And in case you're wondering, ito naman yung observations ko sa mga differences niya sa normal rice. Surprisingly, meron siyang subtle touch ng floral pandan which we like. And I'm really amazed na incorporate nila yung pandan essence sa grain pa lang. And then pag naluto siya, compact siya but at the same time nagsistick out yung grain, so ang ganda niya visually. Tapos texture wise, mas soft lang siya, tapos may pagka-glutinous rice siya. So with just little, nakakabusog na talaga siya and very filling siya. So ikaw ba, ito try mo na rin to? Comment down below. Yun lang, like and follow for more.